Let's get started with our top story, the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro. It was announced at CES 2021. It's a very performance-centric tablet by Lenovo, 11.5-inch WQVGA OLED panel. Operating system very minimal, no bloatware. It's powered by QUALCOMM Snapdragon 730G, so it is quite a performance beast. Comes with a SIM card slot and at a very good price. Can replace a laptop for generic tasks and comes for a price, like I said, of under 45,000 rupees. Here is our Gadget 360 review.
Making its debut at this year's CES, Lenovo's P11 Pro tablet grabbed a lot of eyeballs. Promising to be a complete package of both power and design, this tablet is on the radar for most tech enthusiasts out there. But is it worthy of your time and money? Well, let's find out. Lenovo has gone back to the drawing board when it comes to the design of the P11 Pro. The tablet supports a premium profile and it looks stunning in its dual-tone finish. The design of the tablet does resemble the iPad Pro, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Regardless of its massive size, the tablet is really lightweight and a user is comfortable while holding it. This light design does not come at the cost of durability, since the P11 Pro is made of a high-quality aluminium alloy, and yes, it does feel sturdy. Turning on the tablet, we're greeted with a massive 11.5-inch WQXGA screen. An OLED panel, this is perhaps one of the most important upgrades Lenovo has done to move forward in the tablet segment. A super responsive panel, we faced no issues interacting with the P11 Pro. The feedback time was quick and the panel responded well to all of our gestures. That being said, because of its huge size, it is a bit difficult to type on the tablet. Producing vibrant colors and detailed images, it was a treat to work on the P11 Pro. Supporting a maximum brightness of up to 350 nits, this is a well-illuminated panel which makes this tablet a great device to watch content on. We caught up on most of our favorite web series and we were not disappointed. Unfortunately, this panel does not support a higher refresh rate like 120Hz, which might disappoint some potential buyers. Supporting this display is a quad speaker setup by JBL. Sufficiently loud, this is perhaps one of the better sounding tablets that we've come across. Running on Android 10 out of the box, the P11 Pro provides an almost stock Android experience. The bloatware is minimal and the OS compromises Google certified applications by default. Lenovo has seamlessly integrated the OS on the P11 Pro, which results in a snappy performance and a performance that is well in sync with the user. Since the tablet is Google certified, we can expect regular OTA updates on the device. Now for the main event, which is the hardware under the hood. Powered by a Snapdragon 730G chipset, this is one of the first tablets to support this particular Qualcomm SoC. A perfect choice for a tablet of this nature, the chipset delivers a fiery performance on the P11 Pro. The tablet boots up in a snap and maintains quick load-up speeds across applications. Now, the P11 Pro will not disappoint you when it comes to generic everyday tasks like writing emails, browsing the internet, or creating documents. But if you are someone who deals in heavy media files and renders, then this might not be the tablet for you. Basic picture and video editing can be done on the P11 Pro like a breeze. However, the tablet might give up on you in dealing with heavy files and renders. Moving on, we were impressed with the RAM management of the P11 Pro. Packing in 6 GB of LPDDR4X memory, the tablet can store and maintain data for longer periods of time. As for storage, we get 128 gigs of internal capacity with an option to expand the storage space up to 1 TB by using a memory card. The tablet also comes with a NANO SIM card slot that supports 4G connectivity. Unfortunately, the SIM card will be limited to providing internet access only, since there is no calling feature available on the P11 Pro. This is a bit odd. Moving on, in terms of optics, the P11 Pro comes with a dual camera setup on the back. The 13 megapixel primary sensor is combined with a 5 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, which delivers a satisfactory image quality. There is also a dual lens setup on the front with two 8 megapixel sensors. While this setup is good for video calls, the selfies from the tablet will not be worthy of your Insta feed. The Tab P11 Pro comes with an 8600 mAh battery, which in our testing gave us a mileage of 2 days. And with that, it is time to wrap up this review. The Lenovo P11 Pro is a perfect representative for the next generation of Android tablets. It looks great, packs in some impressive hardware and is well integrated with the Android ecosystem. Unfortunately, what this device lacks is an aggressive price tag. Lenovo is offering the P11 Pro at 44,990 rupees, which might keep some customers away from it.